Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase client engagement with Clio Grow, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Clio Grow account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your active matters and client interactions. Select the Clients tab from the main menu. Here, you will find a list of all your current and potential clients. Click on the specific client you wish to engage with. Within the client profile, you can view their contact information and previous interactions. Utilize the Notes section to add any relevant information about your conversations. Next, explore the Tasks feature to assign follow-up actions related to the client. Set reminders for these tasks, ensuring you keep track of important follow-ups. Now, head to the Documents section to share important documents with the client securely. Choose documents that are relevant to their case or inquiry. You can also customize messaging through Clio Grow's email templates for personalized communication. Select the Communications tab to access templates and adjust them according to your client's needs. After customizing your message, send it directly from the platform for seamless communication. Consider leveraging the Intake Forms feature to gather additional information from new clients. Create tailored forms to help streamline information collection. Once forms are completed, review the responses to gain insights into your client's needs. Regularly schedule check-in calls or emails to maintain an active dialogue. Lastly, utilize Clio Grow's analytics tools to monitor client engagement trends over time. This data will help you adjust your strategies for improved client interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.